Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to the Daily House. I'm absolutely thrilled you're here today because we're diving into something truly spectacular. A complete full farmhouse makeover inspired by the timeless elegance of Ballard designs. If you're ready to transform your home into a European country dream meets classic American farmhouse, you're in for such a treat. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you love farmhouse design as much as I do. Drop a comment below and tell me your favorite full decorating tip. I read every single one. Let's start with that all-important first impression, your farmhouse facade. Think clean white or cream board dam batten siding paired with charcoal or deep green shutters for the authentic European countryside feel. The key is in the details. Consider adding window boxes filled with burgundy mums and trailing ivy, just like Ballard design showcases. A classic lantern-style porch light in aged bronze creates that perfect farmhouse ambience. Remember, symmetry is your friend here. What you do on one side, mirror on the other for that balanced, collected over time look that makes farmhouse style so irresistibly charming. Your front porch is essentially an outdoor living room, and this fall, we're making it absolutely magical. Start with a weather-resistant jute rug in warm tones. It's practical yet stylish. Layer in wicker furniture with plush cushions and rich autumn hues like burnt orange, deep red, or golden yellow. Don't forget those signature galvanized metal planters filled with seasonal favorites, ornamental kale, pumpkins, and corn stalks. A vintage-inspired wooden bench adds extra seating and charm. The secret sauce: add a cozy throw blanket draped casually over your seating. It's those thoughtful touches that make your porch feel like a warm hug. Step inside to an entryway that's both beautiful and brilliantly functional. A rustic wooden bench with built-in shoe storage keeps things tidy while providing a spot to sit above it. Install shiplap paneling with vintage-style hooks for coats and hats. Think aged brass or wrought iron for authentic farmhouse appeal. A large rustic mirror, perhaps with a weathered wood frame, makes the space feel larger and brighter. Complete the look with a galvanized metal tray for keys and mail, plus a natural fiber runner that can handle muddy boots. Remember, farmhouse style is about lived-in comfort, so embrace pieces that are both pretty and practical. Transform your living room into a space that perfectly marries European sophistication with farmhouse comfort. Start with a neutral palette. Think warm whites, soft grays, and natural linen tones. A large sectional sofa in a durable, washable fabric becomes your anchor piece. Layer in texture with chunky knit throws, linen pillows, and a vintage-inspired area rug. The coffee table should be substantial, reclaimed wood or painted piece with plenty of character. Add European flair with antique-inspired accessories. A vintage wooden dough bowl filled with seasonal gourds, brass candlesticks, and perhaps a collection of old books with weathered covers for that collected over time aesthetic. Your dining room should feel like the heart of harvest celebrations. A large farmhouse table in reclaimed wood or painted white is essential. It's where memories are made. Surround it with a mix of seating, perhaps upholstered chairs with natural linen and a rustic wooden bench for casual family meals. The chandelier is crucial. Think wrought iron with candle-style bulbs, or a vintage-inspired piece with crystal accents for that European and touch. For full table decor, create a runner using burlap or linen, then layer in mini pumpkins, pillar candles in varying heights, and branches of full foliage. The key is creating abundance without clutter. Curate chaos that feels intentional and welcoming. The farmhouse kitchen should feel like the warm, welcoming heart of your home, white or cream cabinets with simple panel doors create that classic foundation. While a subway tile backsplash adds timeless appeal, your refrigerator can be disguised with cabinet panels for a seamless look. Or embrace a vintage-inspired model in classic white or soft mint green. The stove should be substantial. A range-style piece in white or black becomes a beautiful focal point. Create a coffee station with a compact espresso machine, vintage-style canisters, and open shelving displaying your favorite mugs. Don't forget the details. A large farmhouse sink, butcher block countertops, and plenty of natural light make this space absolutely irresistible. Your family room needs to handle everything from movie nights to homework sessions while maintaining that beautiful farmhouse aesthetic. A large, comfortable sectional in a durable fabric becomes your foundation. The flat-screen TV can be mounted above a rustic wooden console or vintage-inspired meteor cabinet. Built-in shelving painted in soft white or gray provides storage and display space for books, baskets, and family photos. Add warmth with a textured area rug, plenty of throw pillows, and soft lighting from table lamps with linen shades. The secret is creating zones, a reading corner with a comfortable chair, an area for games, and plenty of storage solutions that keep everything organized yet accessible. Even in a farmhouse setting, you need a dedicated workspace that inspires productivity. A vintage-inspired desk in weathered wood or painted white becomes your command center. Pair it with a comfortable upholstered chair that complements your overall design scheme. Add personality with a small vintage radio, a unique desk clock, and plenty of natural light from a nearby window. Built-in shelving or a vintage bookcase provides storage for office supplies and personal treasures. The key is maintaining the farmhouse aesthetic while ensuring everything you need for work is within reach. A small area rug defines the space, while a table lamp provides task lighting for those late-night projects. Every farmhouse needs a cozy reading nook, a dedicated space for quiet moments and literary escapes. Start with a comfortable chair in soft linen or aged leather. Position near a window for natural light. A small side table holds your current read and a warm cup of tea. Add a soft throw blanket and a few pillows for ultimate comfort. Built-in shelving or a nearby bookcase keeps your favorite volumes within easy reach. The lighting is crucial. A floor lamp or table lamp with a warm bulb creates the perfect ambience for reading. This space should feel like a retreat from the busy world, a place where you can truly relax and recharge. Your farmhouse bedroom should be a serene sanctuary that promotes rest and relaxation. Start with a substantial bed frame in weathered wood or painted white. It's the room's focal point. Layer the bedding with natural linens in soft whites, creams, and muted earth tones. A vintage-inspired bench at the foot of the bed provides seating and storage. Nightstands should be functional yet beautiful. Perhaps matching pieces or an eclectic mix that feels collected over time. Add personality with table lamps featuring linen shades, a vintage mirror above a simple dresser, and perhaps a comfortable reading chair in the corner. The goal is creating a space that feels both elegant and deeply restful. Transform your bathroom into a spa-like retreat with farmhouse charm. A pedestal sink or vanity in weathered wood creates the perfect foundation. The shower should feel luxurious. Think subway tile walls, a rain shower head, and perhaps a built-in bench for added comfort. Storage is crucial. Open shelving displays fluffy towels and apothecary jars filled with bath salts. A vintage-inspired mirror above the sink adds character, while sconces on either side provide flattering light. Don't forget the details: a natural fiber rug, hooks for towels, and perhaps a small stool or bench for added seating. The key is balancing function with beauty. Everything should serve a purpose while contributing to the overall aesthetic. Even your garage can embrace farmhouse style while remaining highly functional. Install pegboard walls painted in classic white for tool storage that's both practical and attractive. Galvanized metal bins and baskets keep smaller items organized, while adding to the aesthetic. A workbench in reclaimed wood provides space for projects and repairs. Consider painting the garage walls in a soft, welcoming color rather than leaving them stark white. Add hooks for bikes, lawn equipment, and seasonal decorations. The goal is creating a space that feels like an extension of your home rather than just a storage area, organized, beautiful, and utterly functional. Your farmhouse patio should feel like an outdoor extension of your interior spaces. Start with durable yet beautiful furniture. Perhaps a wooden dining table with matching benches for casual meals al fresco, string lights. Overhead create magical ambience for evening gatherings. Large planters filled with seasonal flowers and herbs add color and fragrance. A fire pit or outdoor fireplace becomes the focal point for cooler evenings. Don't forget comfort, outdoor cushions, throws, and perhaps a vintage-inspired outdoor rug to find the seating area. The key is creating multiple zones, dining, lounging, and perhaps a small garden area where you can grow your own herbs and vegetables. The difference between good and great farmhouse design lies in the styling details. Group accessories in odd numbers. 3 candlesticks look more natural than 2 or 4. Layer textures throughout each room. Smooth ceramics with rough wood. Soft textiles with hard surfaces. Embrace imperfection. The slightly worn, lived-in look is what makes farmhouse style so appealing. Mix old and new pieces freely. A vintage picture next to a modern lamp creates visual interest. Scale matters. Use larger pieces in bigger rooms and smaller accessories in intimate spaces. Remember, farmhouse style celebrates functionality, so every decorative element should feel like it serves a purpose, even if that purpose is simply bringing joy. A successful farmhouse makeover relies on a cohesive color palette that flows throughout your home. Start with a neutral foundation. Warm whites, soft grays, and creamy beiges create a calming backdrop. Add depth with richer accent colors. Deep navy, forest green, or burgundy bring sophistication without overwhelming the space. Natural wood tones, from light oak to weathered pine, add warmth and authenticity. For fall, embrace seasonal colors sparingly. Burnt orange, golden yellow, and deep red work beautifully as accent colors through pillows, throws, and seasonal decorations. The key is restraint. Let 1 or 2 accent colors shine rather than using every full hue. Available. Farmhouse style thrives on texture. It's what makes spaces feel warm and inviting rather than stark or cold. Layer different materials throughout each room. Smooth painted wood against rough jute. Soft linen next to weathered metal. Woven baskets add natural texture while providing storage. Chunky knit throws and nubby linen pillows create tactile interest on sofas and chairs. Don't forget wall textures, shiplap, beadboard, or even exposed brick add architectural interest. The goal is creating depth and visual richness that invites touch. Spaces that feel as good as they look. Remember, farmhouse style celebrates natural materials and their inherent imperfections. Lighting can make or break your farmhouse aesthetic, so it's crucial to get it right. Layer different types of lighting in each room. Ambient lighting from ceiling fixtures. Task lighting from table and floor lamps. And accent lighting from candles or decorative fixtures. Choose warm bulbs to 700K, 300K rather than cool white. They create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Vintage-inspired fixtures work beautifully. Think mason jar pendant lights. wrought iron chandeliers, or simple ceramic table lamps with linen. Shades. Don't forget natural light. Keep window treatments simple to maximize sunshine during the day. The goal is creating warm, welcoming poles of light throughout your home that invite relaxation and connection. Creating beautiful farmhouse style doesn't require unlimited funds. It just takes creativity and smart shopping. Start with DIY projects. Paint existing furniture in farmhouse colors. Create your own shiplap walls, or repurpose vintage finds from thrift stores and flea markets. Focus your spending on key pieces that make the biggest impact: a beautiful dining table, comfortable seating, or quality bedding. Mix high and low. Splurge on a few statement pieces and save on accessories that can easily be changed seasonally. Nature provides free decorating materials. Branches, pinnacones, and seasonal foliage cost nothing, but a huge impact. Remember, authentic farmhouse style celebrates resourcefulness and creativity over expensive purchases. One of the beauties of farmhouse style is how easily it adapts to seasonal changes. For fall, swap out light summer linens for richer textures and warm colors. Replace bright spring flowers with autumn arrangements featuring branches, pumpkins, and seasonal foliage. Winter calls for cozy elements, extra throws, pillar candles, and perhaps some evergreen touches. Spring brings fresh flowers, lighter fabrics, and brighter colors. The key is making subtle changes rather than complete overhauls. Swap pillow covers, change out accessories, and bring in seasonal elements from nature. Your farmhouse foundation remains constant while the seasonal touches keep your home feeling fresh and current throughout the year. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible farmhouse journey. We've transformed every space from the front porch to the back patio, creating a home that perfectly blends European country elegance with classic American farmhouse charm. Remember, farmhouse style ain't just about the decor. It's about creating a home that celebrates family, comfort, and the simple pleasures of everyday life. I hope you're feeling inspired to try some of these ideas in your own space. Don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House for more design inspiration. Give this video a big thumbs up if it helped you, and drop a comment below sharing your favorite farmhouse decorating tip. Until next time, keep making your house a home.